Mathematics 1. Second Periodical Test. Matatag curriculum-based. English version. Direction. Read the questions carefully. Encircle the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. Which of the following objects is longest? A, B, C, the correct answer is letter A. Number 2. Among the three trees, which one is the tallest? A, B, C, the correct answer is letter C. Number 3. Which is the shortest ruler? A, B, C, the correct answer is letter A. Number 4. Which object is nearest to the flower vase? A, B, C, the correct answer is letter B. Number 5. Which has wider base? A, B, C, D. The correct answer is letter C. Number 6. What book is the thickest? A, B, C, the correct answer is letter C. Number 7. If we use a pencil to measure the length of a book, and the book is 3 pencils long, which item would be longer than the book? A ruler that is 4 pencils long. B, an eraser that is 2 pencils long. C, a bookmark that is 1 pencil long. D, a crayon that is 3 pencils long. The correct answer is letter A. A ruler that is 4 pencils long. Number 8. Which is the best non-standard unit to measure the height of a desk? A, eraser. B, crayon. C, ruler. D, paperclip. The correct answer is letter C, ruler. Number 9. To find out how long your desk is, you could measure it using A, books. B, shoes. C, erasers. D, any of the above. The correct answer is letter D, any of the above. Number 10. If a box is 6 crayons long, what can we say about an item that is 7 crayons long? A, it is shorter than the box. B, it is longer than the box. C, it is the same length as the box. D, none of the above. The correct answer is letter B. It is longer than the box. Number 11. Using a paperclip to measure, if a pencil is 2 paperclip long and a notebook is 3 paperclip long, which is the longest? A, pencil. B, notebook. C, eraser. D, they are the same. The correct answer is letter B, notebook. Number 12. Which unit is best to measure the length of a classroom? A, crayons. B, desks. C, books. D, meters stick. The correct answer is letter D, meters stick. Number 13. Arrange these numbers from smallest to largest. 25, 14, 36. A, 25, 14, 36. B, 14, 25, 36. C, 36, 25, 14. D, 25, 36, 14. The correct answer is letter B, 14, 25, 36. Number 14. Which is the largest number? A. 65. B. 76. C. 53. D. 49. The correct answer is letter B. 76. Number 15. Count by fives to complete this sequence. 10, 15, 20. A. 25. B. 30. C. 35. D. 40. The correct answer is letter A. 25. Number 16. Count by tens to complete this sequence. 20, 30, 40. A. 50. B. 60. C. 70. D. 80. The correct answer is letter A. 50. Number 17. Count by twos up to 12. Which number comes next? A. 10. B. 12. C. 14. D. 16. The correct answer is letter C. 14. Number 18. What is the place value of the digit 4 in the number 45? A. Ones. B. Tens. C. Hundreds. D. Thousands. The correct answer is letter B. Tens. Number 19. What is the value of the digit 3 in 32? A. 3. B. 30. C. 300. D. 3000. The correct answer is letter B. 30. Number 20. Which digit is in the ones place in the number 58? A. 8. B. 5. C. 58. D. 0. The correct answer is letter A. 8. Number 21. Decompose 72 into tens and ones. A. 7 tens and 2 ones. B. 70 and 2. C. Both A and B. D. Neither A nor B. The correct answer is letter C. Both A and B. Number 22. How many apples are there in all? A. 20. B. 39. C. 40. D. 34. The correct answer is letter A. 20. Number 23. How many bananas in all? A. 3. B. 9. C. 14. D. 10. The correct answer is letter B. 9. Number 24. What is 15 plus 10? A. 20. B. 25. C. 30. D. 35. The correct answer is letter B. 25. Number 25. Add 24 plus 9. A. 31. B. 33. C. 32. D. 29. The correct answer is letter A. 31. Number 26. Which is the correct sum of 46 and 12? A. 56. B. 58. C. 60. D. 62. The correct answer is letter B. 58. Number 27. Add these three numbers, 10 plus 20 plus 5. A. 35. B. 45. C. 50. D. 25. The correct answer is letter A. 35. Number 28. Jake has 12 balls and she buys 6 more. How many balls does she have now? A. 20. B. 25. C. 18. D. 35. The correct answer is letter C. 18. Number 29. Mary found 12 shells on the beach and then found 8 more. How many shells does he have now? A. 18. B. 20. C. 21. D. 22. The correct answer is letter B. 20. Number 30. Lisa has 22 balloons, and she gives 7 to her friends. How many balloons does she have left? A. 10. B. 12. C. 15. D. 18. The correct answer is letter C. 15. Comment your score below.